Alright guys, we're here today at 924 East Brook Place out here in Avondale, Arizona. As you can see, we have the fantastic home here in front of us. And we can go ahead and take a quick step inside. One thing I do want to point out is just the location of this property is fantastic. You're in a nice, quiet neighborhood, but you're also, a 5-10 minute drive from, the main heart of Avondale, which is, if you're from Arizona, that's a booming area. So, this is a fantastic place to be in. So once we step inside, you can see we kind of have two sides. Over here, we're gonna have our really nice sized living room, which you can see all the massive windows that we get in here as well. And then nice high ceilings. Step over here so we can take a look. You can see you have your nice little TV area over there. And then on this side, we're going to have our dining area. This could be like an extension of the living area, but it really is set up. Imagine having a nice big table there, some friends and family over. It could be a really, really nice spot to have. Which is also nice because it's directly off of your very open kitchen. So you can see, this kitchen wraps around the entire room in here. You got a spot for a fridge over there. But things like the stovetop, the microwave, the dishwasher, all of those appliances are going to stay with the home. So it's really nice to not have to worry about, replacing any of those items, or anything like that. If they break, you don't have to worry about fixing them. I'll get the camera to focus here. Oh, there's natural light coming in, messes the camera up. And then back here, we have your nice private backyard area. But you can see, it's a nice, very low maintenance area. But there's also tons of space back here. If you have any animals or, kids that like to run around, there's plenty of room for them to do that back there. And you can see, I really like this cool gold chandelier here as well. And then coming back this way, you can see we have a couple different options. To the right, you're actually going to have a huge storage closet, so you can't see too well, but it actually goes all the way back there and then it wraps around over there as well. So you have a ton of space under there. And then we also have your nice half bath down here as well. You can see how nice and spacious it is in here as well. And then the last door over here is going to be your 2-car garage, which you can see, this is a very nice size 2-car. So that's about it for the first floor of this home. We'll come back to the staircase right over here, which is off your front door. And I will see you guys up at the top of the stairs. Alright, so here we are at the top of the stairs. And one of my favorite things, especially about the upstairs, is you can see this beautiful flooring and just how much natural light actually comes into the home. So, this could be a nice little game area, like a loft, friends and family could stay up here as well. But you guys can see just how much natural light comes in through all of these huge windows. So it's kind of split up here. So off to the right, we're going to have 2 guest bedrooms, which are pretty much identical. So, you can see these rooms are fantastic size. Of course, you get your 2-door closet as well. And then over here, same thing, huge window. You get your ceiling light. And just another huge closet over there as well. And then right off of both of these rooms, you're going to have a really nice sized storage closet. And then over here, we have your washer and dryer or laundry room, which you can see how far back it goes over here as well. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. But you could easily fit like a little cabinet or some extra storage shelves back there as well. So, you could have a very, very high amount of storage in there. And we'll step into your guest bath on the upstairs, which you can see, nice shower tub combo. Your nice vanity, everything that you need in there. And then coming back across the way, past the staircase right here, see we step into the primary bedroom. Which one you guys can see how big this room is as well. I mean, all of these rooms in this home are huge. In today's market, there's a lot of really tiny bedrooms, things that, you can't even fit like a twin bed in there. But I mean, you guys can see how massive all of these rooms are. And of course, another huge window over here behind us. And then walking in here, we have something that's really cool. It's a nice split shower and tub. So you can see your nice stand-up shower, but you also get a soak-in tub over here as well, which is right next to your dual vanities with a really nice size counter space. And then probably the largest primary closet I've ever seen in my life. I'm not sure the camera will do it justice, but I mean, you could easily walk around in here, no issue at all. I also really like these shelves, imagine like having all your shoes or something like that stored over there. So it's just a really convenient and efficient use of space. But that's about it for the tour of this home, guys. I mean, if you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you want to even apply online, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.